What is up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. It is your girl Jalea, and today we're going to be talking about the GoPro casing. Let's get started. So this is basically what it is, a GoPro case to hold your GoPro accessories. I do have other stuff coming, so I will make another video on that and then see if everything that I'm getting can fit in this bad boy. So you got two zippers. I took the cover off and the zip tie off because I didn't want to be struggling on camera. So this is what it looked like. You only have one handle and then it's enclosed. It's kind of like a hard shell. You got your GoPro logo right there. And you got your two zippers. So show you guys what the inside looks like. This is what the inside looks like. These are the dividers down here. So I'll show you guys how I do that. But this right here is why I am very excited, because it's a GoPro bag inside of a GoPro case. So basically you can put your SD cards, you could put adapters if you really wanted to. You could put like batteries, or you could put what is it called, like a floaty grip, a chest mount. I haven't got any of those things yet, but I will see if they fit and see what all I need. But this right here, you have one big compartment. You can put stuff in the front and in the back, and then this right here is another zipper compartment, and I believe you put like the thumb screws and stuff like that so it won't scratch up your GoPro or anything else in here. So that is that. Now I'm gonna show you, if y'all hear that airplane, don't worry about it, but I'm gonna show you how I'm going to organize this, because I have the GoPro vlogging setup. For me is, of course, the Overpriced Mic Adapter. I have a very small microphone. If you guys haven't seen what's in my GoPro bag, that changed. I sold some things. I sold a lot of things because I want to minimalize. Is that the word? Minimalize my setup, because when I don't want to bring this camera whenever we can go back outside, but when I don't want to bring this camera, I can vlog on my GoPro, do underwater shots with my GoPro, or just bring it around and don't have to have the camera, the extra batteries, all of that. So the big camera, I mean. So this is the microphone. It's a ceramic microphone, very, very small. That's the reason why I got it, so my setup can be smaller. This is the mic adapter. This is the mic adapter, so I can put this. I can put it like this. Wait, wrong way. I don't like to put it that way. Put the microphone in. It'll be just like that. Have the GoPro. Plug it in. Small vlogging setup. So that's the audio situation. It does sound good without a microphone when I put it in the car, but I'd rather just use a microphone. And it's small and it's very portable, and it has decent audio quality. This right here, this is kind of like a GoPro shorty. I'm selling this with my other GoPro bundle, but this is just to show you what my actual like video setup would look like. You have this, so you can just have the microphone on top. You're just talking, blah, blah, blah. Look at that, look at that. And then you got the tripod, so then you can put it out, set it up, do a time lapse or anything, talk to the camera. So that is that. I have this cable right here to where I can charge two Apple devices. Don't know if y'all can see that. Two Apple devices. And my battery, either my portable charger or my batteries. I do have a portable charger coming for this, just in case I'm not close to a wall plug or anything. That is that. I just have one wall adapter because this cable has every adapter known to man. This is the mount that came with my GoPro. And then I have a micro SD card with the reader, and then I have an extra micro SD card reader, and then the door, the side door to the GoPro. And last but not least, this is the GoPro dual charger. If it'll focus. The GoPro dual charger. When I got my GoPro, I'm still using the Hero 5, but when I got my GoPro, I got it from, what is it called? Sam's Club. Some of you guys might know it as Costco. So I got it from Sam's Club, and it came with an extra battery, and it came with the dual battery charger. So I was like, great, I didn't have to buy that or extra battery, but I bought extra batteries anyway. So this battery hub right here, as you can see, it has 3 spots for 3 batteries. 1 battery is in my GoPro right now, so these are the other 2. You can charge this with a micro USB or USB-C. In the pack, I think it came, I wish it would have came with both cables, but hey, beggars can't be choosers. So it came with a micro USB, and that is everything. When I don't use the head strap, I'm trying to get a chesty mount, a floaty mount, and then like the backpack mount. So I'll be coming back with another video for that. So what I'm gonna do right here is this. I'm gonna put the charging cable, the extra SD cards, the adapter, and the wall plug in here, and the battery, one of the battery chargers in here. So see how we're gonna do this. I'm gonna put this micro SD card in the middle section, and then I'll put the charging cable, the wall brick, take these 2 batteries out of this and put that in there. I could put my other one, yeah, I probably could put that in there. So I'll take these 2 batteries out and then see where I can put this without it taking up any space. Yep, because those will be the same height. And then I'll put this in there, and all of that fits in there. So I'll just put that in the top compartment right here. Let's see if it fits still. And it fits. So I have like, it's a Velcro piece right here and a Velcro piece right here. So I'm gonna see what I can do with that without changing anything around. So the GoPro is just gonna go in there just like that. That fits very well. So I'm gonna move this up just a little bit. So if that's right there, and then you got that. Then you got your mic adapter. So you can probably fit a floaty grip on this side. I'll show you. You probably fit your floaty grip right there, and that could be your whole vlogging setup. But what I'm gonna do is take this apart. Take this apart and put that right there. Then I'll put this right there. And the microphone will go right there. And then the batteries can go right here. And that is everything. So when I get my floaty grip, I can just put it right there. Or I can move this right here. Move that right there. It's move the battery right there. Let's see if I can fit these 2. This is one battery, another battery. So I'll see if I can fit the chesty mount, but when I get like the swivel mount, a 360 swivel mount, it'll be able to fit right here. And then when I get the GoPro Shorty, it'll be able to fit right there. And then the Floaty Grip on the side. So I'll show you this. Oh, that is everything. I'm very excited. Don't know what I'm gonna do with these. Might just put these in the drawer here. But I am very excited. So when I get the other stuff, I'll be back with another video. But what I might do is just try and see if this stuff that's in this bag can fit. Like, fit on top of here. Let me try that out now. I can put that on top of here and then have my chesty mount. Yeah. So I'll be back with another video. It is your girl Jalea. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.